Hey there guys, it's Carly. Welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new here. Today we are doing the final video in my spring cleaning series and tackling the kitchen. I'm also going to be doing a weekly Woolies grocery haul and a fridge organization. So if that is something you're keen to see, grab yourself a cuppa. Let's get into the cleaning.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
I'm starting off with the usual, which is unloading the dry, clean dishes and doing a fresh load of dishes. Lately, I've been enjoying washing my dishes up by hand in the sink, and I know that this is a small pleasure and it's probably also quite weird, but recently I bought myself a pair of rubber gloves from Woolworths, and really they have changed my washing up game. I'm quite used to dipping my hands in absolutely scalding hot water and having them being red raw and completely dry after I've done the dishes, and I have no hand cream either. And the gloves have just changed the washing up game, and I'm weirdly so thankful for my rubber gloves. They are the highlight of my cleaning experience at the moment.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no sleep. Hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
During one of my weekly kitchen cleans, I'm quite happy to just spray and wipe all around the appliances that I have on the benches. But because I wanted to do a deep spring clean of my kitchen, I decided that I was going to remove all of the appliances and just have a bare surface so I could wipe down the entire cupboard surface as well as the tiles and the front of all of the cabinets.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll or stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Now that my dishes are all done, I'm going to get rid of that dirty water and fill the sink up with some fresh water. And I'm also going to put in there my Dr. Bonner's Castile soap. At the moment, I'm using the scent Cherry Blossom and it is absolutely gorgeous. I'll have it linked down below if you want to check it out.
I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on.
We don't often use our microwave because we like to have fresh food, but when we do, we always make sure to cover up whatever we put in there so that we don't have bits and pieces of food just spraying around the place and getting the microwave all dirty and crusty. Even so, every single week I like to give my microwave a bit of a freshener and spray some of my method cleaner in there and just give it a little bit of a wipe out. And if you want an extra fresh smelling microwave, I challenge you to put in a few drops of lemon essential oils. Honestly, lemon essential oils are fantastic for cleaning anything, but particularly when it comes to a microwave or fridge, if you want something to be smelling fresh and citrusy, lemon essential oils are the way to go.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
Now, if you've watched any of my cleaning or organization videos, you know that I just can't help myself. I get bored so easily and I always have to change things around. And today was no exception, so I decided I was going to rearrange and reorganize the cupboard underneath my sink. So I started off by taking everything out and giving it a good spray and wipe, and then started to reorganize all my products.
And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
One of the biggest things that I hate cleaning in the kitchen is my oven, because I'm such a small person and the oven is mounted on the wall and it is quite high. It makes it pretty difficult for me to get into, but I do like using these oven wipes. I don't know necessarily like how good a job they manage to do, but as you can see, when I'm cleaning over the oven, they do get quite dirty. So it does manage to pick up a lot of the food scum. So I do the bottom, the top, the sides, trying to get in all the little cracks of the shelving unit there, which is pretty hard to get amongst, but I do the best job I can. And I do like to do the oven every couple of months, so it never really gets too bad.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind, but I will make you forget all your...
My last cleaning necessity as part of this deep spring clean is to clean out my entire fridge. So I took everything out of the fridge and then used these bamboo wipes to wipe down all of the shelves and the sides and the bottoms. And I also grabbed some paper towel and used that to line the shelves in the door part of the fridge. Thankfully, Dave and I really like to plan out our meals, so we never have a whole heap of stuff that's kind of lingering, half eaten in the fridge. We do like to use up all the things that we have, which keeps things fresh, means that we're not wasting food, and also means that our fridge is looking pretty neat and tidy on a weekly basis. Thankfully, I don't really have to chuck out a lot of things because there's never bits and pieces of food products sort of hiding behind each other that end up going out of date.
Sorrows, let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times.
So every Sunday morning, Dave and I go to our weekly Woolies grocery shop and pick ourselves up a coffee. So I got a large vanilla oat flat white, and he gets a cup with 1 sugar. And our groceries today cost $194, and normally they're anywhere between sort of 150 and 200. If I need to get a heap of cleaning products, they're always on the upper limit, and if we need to get some meat products, that generally pushes them up as well. But this is what we usually get in a week. So this is the entire sum of our groceries for the week. Now, Dave snuck in some snakes and a Boost and some ice cream, which are not normal purchases. So then I decided I needed to get myself some dark chocolate as well. We also got a dog bone, so even Mac gets a treat. Got some mince for tonight's dinner, and some beetroot and black bean burger patties. These are really good. We'll make ourselves some little hamburgers. We've got some bacon, which we'll have this morning. Some alfoil. I get this lactose-free cream cheese, which I have with my gluten-free bagels. Sour cream, corn kernels, kidney beans, taco mix, and the wraps are all for tonight's Mexican dinner. And then we always get a big pack of free-range eggs, and they go really quickly. Got a few spices this week that normally we wouldn't get. So I got some cloves, garlic and herb blend, and cinnamon, because the cinnamon is pretty low at the moment. And Dave also picked up a new thing of Vegemite. He also likes drinking this lemon, lime and bitters cordial, so grabbed a new one of that. That's his full cream milk and my oat milk. And then I randomly picked up some glucosamine and fish oil. They're for joints, so that will be really good for both Dave and I. And then he picked up this sweet chili and lime dressing. So some of these things like the dressing and the herbs and spices are not like general weekly purchases, and I normally would not get these. I have not tried them before. There's the Shelby's Healthy Hedonism Dipped and Dusted Nut Butter Bites, but I thought I would give them a go since Dave is treating himself. And I picked up some macadamias as well. I did want to get the tamari almonds, but they were out, so I grabbed these ones instead. Got some organic wholemeal spiral pasta, some frozen chopped spinach. We're going to use this to make a quiche, so 2 bags of that. These vegetarian sausage rolls are for Dave. Got 3 of the Uncle Benny's rices, savory chicken, golden vegetable, and the sriracha rice. And we've not tried any of those 3 before. They're all new, so hopefully they are good. These noodles are for Dave. High fiber, low GI bread. We get the half loaf because otherwise we end up, you know, not using it all and having to get rid of it. And then these Turkish rolls are for breakfast this morning. And then this is our fresh section. So a whole heap of tomatoes, big thing of lettuce, broccoli, mandarins, sweet potato, blueberries and strawberries. And it's most of that is pretty standard for a week. And then a few things differ week by week, but that is the grocery haul of the day. I'm now going to put it all away, and the fresh ingredients I'm going to wash, chop up, etc. and put those in the fridge. This is the current look of the fridge, not particularly inviting. I obviously cleaned it yesterday, but I'll give you guys a look at it when it's all packed away and nice and neat. And this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this kitchen spring clean video and weekly grocery haul. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I put out new videos every single week. With that being said, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your week and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Till it feels alright all night. We're all about the good vibes.